Okay, it's the first and last alphabet. Easy to memorize. DJ, D and J. Yeah. First question: does anyone know how the Hibachi starts and how we started party, how we end the party? Any clue? Say it again. That's second thing. That first thing. Any idea? Come on.
Fire.
Huh?
Fire.
Exactly. That's right. And I know it's someone's birthday today, right? And his name is what?
Drew!
Drew, come forward. I need your help. Come on. Come
On
on.
the table. We're gonna curl. Now we put it on the grill.
Hey, don't burn the tip.
Oh my days.
I need your help, okay? I'm gonna say happy. You're gonna get birthday.
Ready?
You know what that is?
Happy
Birthday! Whoa! Whoa, no, we can't.
Never, never.
Okay, guys. Second question. Whenever we start a party, we have an entry fee. Guess what's the fee?
Shot.
Huh?
Shot.
I heard 3 correct answers.
Shot.
Yeah. Fee is 5 seconds of sake. Ready, guys?
The fee is Chupi.
Underage. Sitting out on
One, two, three, 4, 5.
A little bit.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's the first and last alphabet. Easy to memorize. DJ, D and J. Yeah. First question: does anyone know how the Hibachi starts and how we started party, how we end the party? Any clue? Say it again. That's second thing. That first thing. Any idea? Come on.
Fire.
Huh?
Fire.
Exactly. That's right. And I know it's someone's birthday today, right? And his name is what?
Drew!
Drew, come forward. I need your help. Come on. Come
On
on.
the table.
1, 2, 3. Punishment. Get closer. Close your eyes. Open your mouth. We're gonna do the rest. Get closer. Get closer. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. There we go.
Để dâng lên bề trên cảm ơn trong bữa ngày hôm nay để happy birthday của ok và ba bắt đầu làm dấu nhân
Chúng con như chúng con cũng tha kẻ có lời chúng con, xin chớ để chúng con ta trước cám dỗ, nhưng cứu chúng ra khỏi sự dữ. Amen.
bad roll, bad rain.
Back it up, JD. Hey, you're the JD.
He picked his brother.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Am I in?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Drew! He picked his dad. Oh!
Nice.
Wow!
Uncle Bob. I'll pick Daddy. You shoot him.
close range.
Oh my god! Watch the baby! Oh!
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10. Party ball. Ask the question. You gonna try?
No, you gotta answer a question about him. What?
So it's a game. You're gonna ask a question about himself. Like, if you get it right, sir, you shoot him. If you get it wrong, he shoots you.
What's my favorite fruit?
Durian?
What?
Oh yeah. What size shoe am I?
You wear 8.5, but you wear size 9.
It's a 10 now. Favorite color?
Blue.
You could have lied.
My middle name.
Who got chicken?
Tên dưới là gì? Nó tên là Nguyễn gì?
They count as a
Mommy, Daddy, look. Nguyễn.
Nguyễn gì? Tên giữa mà anh.
Oh, you look. Nguyễn.
Oh, he said it.
Oh yeah! So grandma to shoot you. Grandma to shoot you. Oh, oh.
Bắn đá.
Oh no, đừng có cho nhiều nha.
What do I want most for my birthday?
Hey, spray him! A car!
Oh.
Like that. And then,
Mom,
but do it
Dad, you heard that?
softly, please.
My.
Oh,
Please hit my mouth.
Alright,
What college do I want to go to? What college do I want to go to?
UTA,
LSU. What college do I want to go to?
New Mexico State.
okay, so you want to go
Harvard.
to LSU, but you really don't want to go.
Hey, it's a one answer question.
I hope you
Answer.
No, I think it's LSU.
Yay! Mom got it.
I want another question.
Off it up.
No, right over left.
Oh, there you go. There